Hi there, welcome back. There is a Microsoft naming changes on a Microsoft product family for Microsoft Azure Active Directory. Since Microsoft has changed their Microsoft Azure Active Directory name to Microsoft Entra, now the product somewhere it was referred to Microsoft Entra. In the past, we used to call it Microsoft Azure AD or AAD. Now it's simply Microsoft Entra or Microsoft Entra ID. So these are the some of the naming that has been changed. For example, throughout this course, sometimes I might refer as Azure AD P1 or Premium 1. Now it has to be Microsoft Entra ID. So from a feature wise, there's no change. From a licensing wise, there is no change. From the cost wise, also there's no change. Only the name has been renamed. It was in 2023 October 1st, but it was publicly announced in the July 11th. After that, they have rebranded the entire product family to better suit with on-premises Active Directory because few people might be confusing with the Active Directory, the name. If you look at here, AD stands here Active Directory, but in the before you also have Azure. So when it says Azure Active Directory, some people might be confusing whether it's on-prem or cloud-based. So Microsoft thought to give a completely new naming with Microsoft Entra so that it looks good and it would standardize their product family in the future. And also if you remember, sometimes I might be called as your AD tenant. It's nothing but the Entra tenant now. There's no change in the features, as I said, or licensing point of view. Even same thing here. Azure AD accounts is nothing but the Microsoft Entra account. So just the Entra has been added instead of AD. That's a bigger change from a Microsoft point of view. I hope this small change you would keep in mind throughout this course so that you could easily make a note on it. Here is the documentation that talks about in detail information about what is changed, what is not changed. All that information is there. Of course, the PowerShell commands are not a change and remaining things getting changed, or it might be already changed. And portal-wise, in the past, we used to call it as the aad.portal.azure.com. That has been completely renamed, or it will redirect to entra.microsoft.com. So throughout this course, in case if I use aad.azure.com or portal.azure.com, so portal.azure is still there, but aad.azure.com is pointing to entra.microsoft.com. That's the only change, and there's no additional change from a Microsoft point of view for Azure AD. And in the past, we used to call it as Azure AD Admin Center. Now it's Entra Admin Center. And the new look, also some areas, this is an improvement. That being said, I'll catch you in the next lectures. And throughout this course, whatever you have the Azure AD that treat as the Entra, Microsoft Entra, I would be definitely updating the entire course. I'm expecting some additional changes also from a Microsoft. Once they finish their changes, I would be definitely updating the entire course. Thank you for watching this.